format for next week. There's a lot of things happening in the crypto world, and it's important you understand what is happening. That's very important. And it's also important that you understand more things. So we're going to bring you a new format next week. But first, today. Oh, you guys seem happy today, right? Why? Because Bitcoin has gone up. It kind of rejected the I'm not going down for this year bar, right? It was like going down for this year. It was like a break even for this year, which is really not good. And that just turned around, but that's Bitcoin for you. Let's see what's happening. Okay, 31,000. Ethereum is the one really going up. Look at that, 8.8%. That is awesome. So you see the big ones going up, right? Binance, Cardano, and all that. What is this? 44.7. Not good, not good. But still, that's why only the big coins seem to be moving, right? You don't see the small ones really moving today, but that's kind of cool. Let's see what's happening here. I have told you guys already that this week, it all depends on the S&P 500. And if you guys have been reading the news, have you guys been reading the news? If you guys have been reading the news, you know that this depends on inflation, the concerns about inflation. But our president is Joe Biden, okay? I don't know about you guys, but my president is Joe Biden, and Joe Biden clearly wants to spend more money. So I'm cool with that. I hope that inflation is really transitory. Yeah, I know you guys are concerned. I know you guys are concerned, but that's okay. That's cool. So you see this going up, and Bitcoin just follows because that's all it is. Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies are now treated like a risk on asset. Okay, not really something that's a hedge against inflation. So I hope we get that right. Okay, because people are thinking it's like gold. It's not like gold. It's more like other stuff. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So before we do anything now, now you know, right? Now you guys are scared, right? You guys are panicking. What will make it go down? Oh, okay, I don't know what will make it go down. Just see this, guys. Oh, we have nothing tonight. Okay, you guys can sleep tonight. Tomorrow, okay, ECB. Let's see what happens on the ECB. What do we close? Oh, euro. Okay, that's fine. I just want to avoid the US dollar things. You know, do you guys see any Chairman Powell here? Hey, Chairman Powell, go on holiday. You made your case, okay? You've made your case. Don't bother us anymore, right? Because we don't want any more shocks to Bitcoin. So I think it has survived the unlocking very well, right? If you look at this, it kind of survived the unlocking very well. Yeah, we were expecting this, right? We were kind of expecting this, that after the grayscale unlocking, it would let go, but it let go, but it had defended that. That's like, okay, I'm not going to give up the gains for the year. Fine with me. Don't want to give up the gains for the year. And then now it's back up. But here, this is the 50. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. This is the 50. So again, another massive resistance. If not, we're going to go here, 33.5, and then you see where all this goes. I don't think we're going to break out of this until August, guys. Until mid-August, nothing doing here, just doing its own thing. I just want people to be convinced that it is steady so that we can get upward movement on the alts, right? So just remember that we need this to kind of stabilize like that, or even stabilize like that, whatever it is, so that the small alts can move again, and they can move up very fast. So that's kind of cool. So this is, you know, people say this is a bear market, whatever this is, bear market, or we're dead, or we're finished, or Bitcoin's going to what, 24,000, 20,000, 12,000, 13,000. I don't know that. Okay, but what I know is this, and I want to show you something, that this is like the weirdest bear market I have ever seen. Okay, I mean, this is weird, guys. This is so weird. Let me show you what I am talking about. Okay, let me show you what I am talking about here. Ooh, let me tell you what I am talking about here. Okay, let me tell you what I'm talking about here. The bear. Let's see where the bear is. Where is the bear? Let's see it here. I'm going to see it here. Look at this. Just look at this, okay? I mean, seriously, look at this. Circle reveals assets backing USDC stablecoin. Okay, that's fine. But here, FTX crypto as exchange valued at 18 billion in 900 million funding round. Guys, that's 900 million. Why would people spend 900 million if they think it is not good, right? If they think that this is a true bear market? I don't know. Can you tell me that? Because I really don't know. Look, 900 million funding round, largest in history. And yeah, Series B, okay, Series B, 60 investors. Look at all this. Sequoia. Sequoia is Main Street, Silicon Valley. Awesome, right? That's like super duper awesome. Let's go here. And if you go further here, look at this. Circle to go public in a SPAC deal. But before that, SPAC deal, 440 million financing. Now, I don't know. Do you guys know why this is happening? That if this is a bear market, so I think this is like, I don't know whether this is a bear market. Maybe it's I think it's a temporary thing. And I think that the altcoins, these things haven't finished yet, okay? These things haven't finished yet. Look at this. 440 million. Let me let me show you this 440 million here. Look at that. And look at that. And this was just before this. And then suddenly after they got this 440 million, what did they announce, guys? What in the world did they announce after they got this? Come on. They announced a SPAC. So it's like, okay, SPAC is, special purpose acquisition vehicle. It's something for the stock market, right? Something for the stock market, basically for you to get listed. So Luke, yeah, you can ask the question wherever you want in the comment there. So it's like, hey, are we in a bear market? Well, okay, we can be in a corrective phase. You can even say we're in a bear market. You can even say we're in a crypto winter. I think that is fine to say all this, but the fact is that what I see now is that hey guys, what do I see now? What do I see now? I see people are investing in these markets. Just look at that. Okay, and if you don't see that, then you can see this. Now, after this comes out, when was this? This is May, right? This is, what is this? This is July. So after May, look what happens. Circle is now going public. Oh, okay. Yeah, look at that. Going public in a SPAC deal. And I won't be surprised if FTX goes public, because FTX already bought the Miami Arena or something. Yeah, look at that. Go public, become a public company, 4.5 billion. This is USDC, by the way. So they already come up with their backing. I know you guys are scared, right? Yeah, I know you guys are all scared of all these things, right? You guys are scared, but they already said that, they are going to do this already. And hey, that's cool, man. That's kind of cool. So it's like, okay, I get it that we are in a bear market, but I have problems understanding this bear market. Seriously, I really, really do. And I'm sure you do too. So take all this. I'm just taking that all these downdrafts that Bitcoin has is kind of temporary, right? It's kind of temporary. And it's something that normally happens in a market like this, especially in a bull market. Now, I'm going to show you something else here. You see that? Yeah, let's go in NFT here. Yeah, OpenSea. OpenSea is where you mint all these NFTs, right? So if you want a new NFTs, you want to find the market of NFTs, it is all in OpenSea. And when it's all in there, it's, yeah, that's kind of where you find it. But look at that. It's valued at 1.5 billion. Like, hey, something, guys, something, what I'm trying to tell you, right? Something is not right. So to me, it's like, hey, maybe this is a market that is kind of waiting to go somewhere. Okay, this is kind of waiting to go somewhere. And yeah, we just have to wait and be patient until it kind of goes somewhere. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. So this is something that you might want to consider. So, OpenSea is the hottest place. A16Z, Andreessen Horowitz. If you can, my rule is, if you want to go into something by Andreessen Horowitz. So what is exactly do we have here, guys? We have 440 million, right? Let me kind of write it down here. I'm going to talk afterwards. I think I better talk. We have like 440 million into Circle. We have, what is that? We have 900 million into FTX, and we have 100 million into OpenSea. So guys, this is real money. And we have 2.2 billion A16Z fund, right? So again, as the market is going down, when I talk about the whales are buying, well, I'm not really talking about Bitcoin whales. I'm talking about these type of whales. So the other thing is, I think you can see now that there's a lot of IDOs that are already coming back. So actually at 8:15, there is an IDO. I will walk you through the process, okay? I hope I get in because my Zoom line is, I hope that this does not take away too much bandwidth for my Zoom line, but let's see what happens. I don't know what happens, man. It's unfortunate because they had it like, bummer, man. They had it at 6:30, something happened as usual, and now they're gonna have it again. So I'm just gonna walk you through this. Okay, guys, but before that, you guys have any questions? Because what time is it now? What time is it now? So this is the something that we even have to fight for cryptos, right? I mean, sometimes when opportunities come, it's not where we go. But here's the news, okay? Here's the news. So MasterCard partners with Saxo Circle stablecoin for crypto to fiat conversion. Circle completes 450 financing. So let me talk to you about an IDO because this is a live one that I'm getting. I should not be doing this, okay, guys? If you want to do this, don't do it like me, okay? I'm just stuck in the show. If you do it like me, I don't know, but this is a good experiment. I do hope I got it because I got it last time. You want to clear all your lines, right? I made a mistake. I should have done this with another computer, but let's see, okay? Anyway, okay, any questions before I walk you hopefully successfully through a live on Scale Swap? Okay, so Scale Swap is something that is happening on Polygon. I kind of like Polygon, okay? I really like Polygon because it is like layer 2 for Ethereum, right? It's faster. So again, Scale Swap is the name of basically it is the name of a token, a launch pad that's going to launch new IDOs on Polygon. So I managed to get into the KYC, competing with many people, but it seems I have to compete again tonight. And one of these things that you see is really, it's not as easy as we can see because what we're doing is that we have to compete with a lot of people. So when you press all these keys and all that, you kind of have to know what's happening. Okay, so sorry, I can't show you my this because I really do not want the bandwidth to be taken from this thing, right? From this thing. I wish I could, but not going to do that. But I am already on this, right? So I'm already on the IDO. So one thing about IDOs is you have to be very well prepared, okay? And some of these can go like 10 times. So I've been given an allocation of 300 now. The last of my 300 allocation went to like $6,000, and another one like 500 went to like $5,000. So here, yeah, chilling and holding. Yeah. Just holding all this, John. Just hold all this. You know, there's nothing else to do. You don't have to commit things to new tokens, right? While just let it do what it does. As long as as long as it doesn't go anywhere, that's kind of cool. Not going anywhere is kind of cool. I'm going to put you on this, right? So I'm going to put you on this. And are we there yet? Let me see. See, I don't want to press this because sometimes when you do press this too early, it is kind of not good, because everyone's trying to get in at the same time, right? So you kind of want to go when, say I have my clock here, you kind of want to go when it says go, right? Don't try to go too early because you might get kind of locked out, okay? So you don't want to do that. Remember, guys, this is extremely competitive and you really want to go. Okay, so I'm here now. I hope you guys can listen to me, right? I'm just going to tell you what is happening now. I'm just waiting for this to hit. Okay, not there yet. Okay. So now I basically, hey, go and press this. Let me see. I'm trying to get in now. I have my numbers ready to go in, but yeah, sometimes it does take time, okay? It does take time. Yeah. Man, what is happening? I do not see it now. Oh no, yeah, I can't see it. I don't know why. Okay, so this is the thing. Oh my God, I forgot to connect my wallet. Okay, but I don't see any place where to connect the wallet. Don't do this. Yeah, I can't see it, man. I hope this is an error, okay? I kind of hope this is an error because I don't see it. Yeah, I know, but I don't see it. So, this is something that you just have to live with. Unfortunately, okay, I'm just going to tell you that this is quite unfortunate, but yeah, I don't see anything on connecting the wall. I hope this is an error, I really hope that there is an error here, okay? Yeah, it's just hang on me. So this is something that always happens, okay? And when it becomes like this, okay, cool. Yeah, is it here? Yeah, I am connected, right? I kind of am connected. Am I connected? I don't know. I don't see anything. Okay, I think I am in and I am. Oh, what happened here? What? It's finished? Are you serious? Okay, never mind. It's finished. I don't think I would have gotten in, I really don't. Okay, that's cool. It's finished. Amazing. Amazing. I mean, like, are you sure it's finished? I don't know, man. Wait, one moment. Maybe I should show this to you. Wow. Are you serious? How can it finish so fast? See, if it finishes that fast, there is no regret, I mean, just could not get in, man. Like, whoa. Nope. Okay, let's see, and let's move on, man. Let's move on. Wow. It's finished. Is it? So this is what you want. You don't want to panic. You want to check the Telegram group. Is it really finished or is this what? I don't know, man. Let's go here. What's happening? What is happening here? Wow. No one knows what's happening. See, this is the thing, guys. No one knows it's happening. It's not allowing me to go in. Okay, now it just resets itself like, okay, something is wrong. Okay, that's why I said we have to not panic. And we go to... This is silly, guys. This is totally silly. Okay, this is totally silly. Let's go. I don't know what's happening. Oh, no one knows what's happening. Hey, this is interesting, man. I mean, like, what's happening here? Man, you see, so this is the thing that you kind of get with these things that I'm like, come on, I just put on my wallet is just being connect and it says that it's finished. Now, that cannot be right? I mean, unless some people went in faster than me, but that is not how it works here. I know. I know it's not there. Yeah, let me see you. Let me show it to you. I want to see you this. I'm like surprised, right? Like, what is this? Like, what's happening? I don't even know what's happening, I have no idea what's happening. Okay, Zoom, what are you doing to me? Don't, yeah, there. So there's no finished pools. And it just goes 99.9%. I don't know, there's probably an error again. So this is what you get. See, this is something where, yeah, you guys can see this, right? So it's like, yeah, I can't show it live to you guys because this will kill my thing if there is if it comes back online. And of course, yeah, you have to make sure you have the enough bandwidth. So this is something that you kind of get, I mean, like, I don't know, guys. So again, why do we go for this? So you might think that, and this is real pain. Okay, I'm not denying that there is pain here. This is real pain here, but the thing is this. Okay, here's the thing here. I'm trying to go back in again. Here's the thing here. Why do we go for this? It's easy, okay? It's very easy because we go for this. Why? Because our 300 can become 3,000. Well, it doesn't look like that now because I don't know what's happening. Or our 500 can become 5,000. You get that? So it's kind of like you have 800 becoming 8,000. And that is what I think, okay? I'm thinking, okay, that is, it's over. It's really over. Yeah. So Chen, it's really over, Chen. I didn't know that. That's what I said. Yeah, it's still hot. Yeah, because as I said, okay, that is over. It's fine with me, guys. It's over. So Chen here says it's stupid, and yeah, I kind of agree, but that's fine with me, guys. But here's the thing. That's what I was saying, and it comes to my topic again just now, right, guys? It comes again to my topic. Here we are, you know, except John, everyone's except John. John's the coolest guy in the land, right? John's the coolest guy in the world. That there's a bear. Okay, there's the bear here. And yet you see 440 million coming in. You see 900 million coming in FTX, and you see 100 million coming in, right, for OpenSea. And you see the IDOs just now finish in 1 minute. No surprises. I got 2 of this. Finished very fast also. The money was like 10x to 20x. So I think I told you guys, right, that sometimes even a bear market is good because, you know, if it's not a bear market, let's face it, guys, if it's not a bear market, it's hard to find these opportunities. It is very difficult to find these opportunities. Okay, this is a fact. It's just not even possible. You cannot even see it. But let me tell you that during a bear market like now, if we do call it a bear market, do you know what? Guess what? You can find these opportunities, okay? It's easier to find because the good ones are the only ones that will get listed, and the good ones really, really do well anyway. So of course, getting it is another issue, but hey, man, if it's below 1 minute, I'm saying that, okay, never mind. Doesn't matter. My network would not have been able to handle that anyway, okay? I needed to go to 1 minute, 10 seconds. I'm not telling Chen. I needed to go to 1 minute, 10 seconds. I can do. 1 minute, I kind of cannot do. Okay, I kind of cannot do. I cannot even get in just now. I thought I would get in. So, okay, let's move on, guys. Let's move on to our next topic. So there, you see IDOs and you see a bear market, and now you know it's not that bad as you think. So let's go to the next topic, which is swapping. Okay, swapping our tokens. Now, let me tell you what happens in a business. Okay, so let's say, hey, let's see, Chen is here, since he says Chen and Raymond is here. So we'll have a case here since John already. We already talked about John and his this, right? We already talked about John and his this, right? His music. Let's talk about Chen. This is Chen's durian. I know it doesn't sound good, okay? This is Chen's durian, okay? So Chen is starting up a durian on the blockchain. So what is the business? Could be that you can buy Chen's durian with Chen coin. Now, this is what's happening. You guys don't know this. Listen very carefully. Now, initially, when it comes up, what is Chen coin, guys? Chen coin is an SH1T coin. This is a fact. But that is why Chen has to add utility. Now, this is what happens. When Chen adds utility and makes this more, so this is Chen coin, right? This is C. So Chen is not very clever, so he's going to let utility. Hey, guys, he says, hey, my durians are all from Raup. Oh, okay. I don't know, is Raup the best place to plant durian? I don't know, but maybe it is. So Chen says, hey, my durians are from Raup. It's from a very fertile jungle, right? And this gives the most creamy musang king in the entire of Malaysia, which makes it the most creamy musang king in the entire of Southeast Asia, which makes it the most creamiest musang king in the entire world. I think so. So when this happens, guess what? Chen says, hey, in order to buy this durian from Raup, guess what? You guys have to do what? You guys have to convert this. You guys have to buy into Chen coin. So this is what happens to your business, Chen. I hope Chen has a business ready to do this, okay? This is what happens. This is really what happens. So listen to this. So he said, hey, I want to swap that coin. So people will swap it with BNB if it's on Binance. People will swap it with Ethereum, right? If it's on Ethereum, but you don't want that, right? Chen's very clever. People will swap it with Matic. No, Chen will put it on BNB because it's cheap, right? And not only can people swap it out with BNB, people will also swap it out with what here, guys? Come on, come on. You guys know what this is. People will also swap it out with something called I touch something again, okay? You can also unmute this and not unmute this. You can also swap it out with BUSD. You get what I'm saying, right? So once you swap it out with BUSD, guess what? All of these things are gone, right? These things go out, these things come in. Now look at what's happened now. Okay, look at what's happened now. See, what happens is this pool. Okay, this pool, and I don't know where. Okay, I'm struggling to find my Zoom again here, guys. This pool that you have here that was filled with a lot of Chen coins, okay, that was filled with a lot of Chen coins, now doesn't have Chen coins anymore. Chen coins go out, right? And it's filled with BNB. It's filled with BUSD. You understand what's happening, Chen, right? Look, you're swapping. Suddenly, your business here has value. Okay, can you guys see that? This business here has real value now. Look at that, because of this. You see that? The Chen coin that we were laughing at is no more, it's outside. That is what makes it into a value, and this is no more like this. Chen says this is a DAO, decentralized autonomous organization. It's something that's self-fulfilling. I come in and manage it, and because I have a share in the Durians, John comes in and manage it. So, you know, we are all shareholders of this DAO. And then you ask, why in the world would you want to do that? Because my friend, I want to show you something, and listen very carefully. And John, this should be a potential model for your business. Look at that. Will DAOs transform the power in venture capital fundraising? Look, venture capitalists are trying to get into something called Sushi Swap. Have you heard of Sushi Swap? I am sure you have heard of Sushi Swap, right? If you've been following this, I'm sure you have been, you definitely would have heard of Sushi Swap. So let's go down here and find out more about Sushi Swap. So look at this. Look at this, guys. Proposing to sell a portion of its treasury to venture firms as part of a broader diversification plans. Remember, people come into your company and they can buy the DAO, the treasury in there. So do you see what's happening here? Why do you start a business in crypto? Because my friends, it is the same. It is the same as the real world business. I know you guys didn't see this, right? Because now Chen's, the Durian sellers DAO, has BNB, has BUSD. He probably has wrapped Ether because now he's very clever, right? Everyone wants this. So when they come in and buy, look at that. The venture capitalists are basically coming in to buy this, okay? This is a fact. Guys, venture capital here is coming in to go and buy this. You can sell this and make a profit. It's the same thing, right? It's like selling your shares, but you didn't realize it, right? So here's the deal. When you do something like this, and when you have utility, what happens is your coin is now exchanged into something valuable. When it has valuable things here, people come and buy things out from you. And this comes only with utility. You understand that? Because if this has too much Chen coin, this is very risky, right? This is very risky. And that's why in order for the Chen coin to go out and be replaced with all this, it is a utility. Do you guys understand that? That is why business, to me, if you can, and of course, this depends on the rules of your country, it is now very possible. In fact, it is easier to start it out with crypto, okay? So I hope you enjoyed the show, and we'll come out with a new format next week. I will tell you more about it. In the meantime, yes, think about this, guys. Think about this, John. Think about this, Chen. Think about this to all you Durian sellers, because you know why? You guys know what happened to the recent Raub thing, right? What happened to the recent Raub thing? So Chen here has a business selling this thing. So what happened to Raub? They fell all the trees, right? What happens, guys? What happens when they fell all the trees? Guess what? Chen coin goes to the moon. And when Chen coin goes to the moon, what happens, guys? He gets more and more BUSD, BNB, WETH, and that's how he goes to the moon. And that's why you got to hold the line. And I will see you next week. Everything, anything, I am possible in crypto, guys. Bye. See you.